Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot of you guys have been requesting how to send messages in United States to your customers or your clients who are based in United States. As you might have heard of the A2P 10DLC enforcements, we cannot send application to process A2P. That's what it stands for. We cannot send bulk messages in the United States unless your number is A2P verified. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been requesting how we can do that. Is there a way around? I mean, of course we can do it through A2P after getting that A2P registration, but here's the important thing. If you don't have a US based company, like a company registered in the US, it's going to be very hard for you to get the A2P registration or A2P verification. So the second best thing that you can do is buy a toll-free number, get that number verified, and you can start sending the text messages. And the benefit of using that is going to be you can still do it through the toll-free number, and you don't have to buy specific phone numbers for, let's say, local areas, local states. So you can just buy one toll-free number for all your needs, all your usage, right? So in this video, that's what we are going to talk about. I'm just going to demonstrate how you can set up your toll-free numbers and how you can get them verified. There are a few things that you need to submit to get the numbers verified, so stick with me in this video. Okay guys, so you can see as I already have a toll-free number that I purchased recently, and this is not toll-free. The verification has not been completed, so it's very easy for you to buy a phone number, a toll-free phone number. You can just search it. Let's say you can buy a phone number, click buy a phone number, and okay, here you go. So you see, once you do some advanced search, you remove the local number and only keep the toll-free number, and you will do a quick search. You will see all the toll-free numbers that you have. You just have to buy any one of the numbers that you see or that you like. Once you have purchased this phone number, you are going to go on this step. This is your toll-free number, and all you need to do is just verify your toll-free numbers. It's not rocket science, it's very easy. Just need to click on here and you need to submit some information. So I'm just going to tell you what you need to submit in order to get that number verified. You can still get that verification rejected if you don't have, or if you're not providing enough evidence. So you have to have a registered entity. Without that, you cannot officially get the numbers verified. Okay, so let's say legal entity name. You will just type the name of your company. So you are going to type your legal name, legal entity. You are going to type your website URL. I think they are going to just run down, do a quick search to verify, and then your contact information, which is going to take from your profile or whatever. And then you can go to continue to messaging use case. And this is when so this is what you need to provide, and you have to be very accurate because they are going to reject your verification if you're not very careful with it. Okay, so you have to you can select monthly volume of 100,000, whatever is your currently volume requirement. It doesn't actually matter. You can just stick with 1,000. Opt-in type. So this is going to be an opt-in type, how you are collecting the information from your customers. Okay, so most probably you will be, or you must be doing it through web form, just like web form. Use case category, I think you will choose some of these informations or some of these. For the use case category, I think you'll have to select either one of these, or you can select multiple. Let's say if you're doing it for marketing purpose, then you have customer care. I think these two would work just fine. So for use case, you can just select whatever applies. For opt-in workflow image URLs, this is a specific case. So you need to take screenshots of your web pages. For example, I'm going to show you what I've been doing. So let's say this is one example of how we get the numbers verified. We just take one screenshot of all the information that we ask from our let's say audience if we are running ads. So you just going to take a screenshot of that picture. You're going to just take a screenshot of that form, and you are going to upload that in a Google Drive, right? That's all you need to do, and you just need to upload that link. Let's say this is the link, so you just need to upload this link in here, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to do anything extra. Just upload that link of your web form, take a screenshot, upload that to a Google Drive, and update it over here. Now use case description is going to be something very similar. So you're just going to explain why you are going to need the Twilio, or why you are going to use it, right? So what you need to do here is just write few brief description, like we use the Twilio numbers to send text notification to customers or to leads who have opted in for our ad, something like that. You don't have to be like, very specific. You can just send them this description that we use Twilio numbers to send text notification, to send reminders for upcoming appointments, to send notifications for people who have filled out the form and they are requesting information about our services. Message content is something that, let's say, whatever message that you are planning to send, so just like code those messages. This is what we use, and then you're just going to code thanks for filling out the form, someone will reach out soon. So if you have another message, you can go ahead and do that as well. For email notification, just provide your email so that they will notify if your phone numbers are verified. You don't have to put any additional information. Just click I agree. Okay, so once you click I agree, send information for verification. I think it would take about 24 hours at max, but I think we have received the verification within as short as 4 or 5 hours of submitting this form. Once you click send information for verification, you will receive a message just like this one. You see, so this is the messages that we've been using for the companies that we are working with. And again, thank you for submitting your toll-free verification. So they are just going to give you a ticket once you submit that. And this is the message that you usually get. Okay, once you have submitted the information within 24 hours, you will get this message. Thank you for submitting a toll-free verification request. We are pleased to inform you that your request has been approved and your toll-free number will receive the approval or approved message volume. Okay, so once you go ahead, do that, get this email, I think you are good to go, and you can start sending the messages as usual. You can start running your text campaign as you have been doing in the past before A2P. I hope this video helps you guys. I know there has been a lot of people who have suffered from this A2P enforcements, and we have been in the same situation. I hope you like the video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.